Hi everyone, Calvin Goetz at Strategy Financial Group. Please like and subscribe our YouTube page for more retirement planning content like the stuff I'm going to share with you right now. We're going through a period of market volatility. Russia has just invaded Ukraine and people start to get concerned. They're watching their portfolios decline. They're watching the stock market sell off. So I want to remind you that there are a handful of key questions you want to ask yourself during times like this. Number one, are you following a risk-first approach? Now, we use a risk-first approach with our client portfolios so that they select a portfolio that has a risk range maximum drawdown that they would ever be comfortable with in a worst-case scenario. So if you have a risk-based approach, you should know kind of what that range is from your portfolio. Question two would be, has your risk tolerance changed? Do you want to adjust what that threshold is? Question three would be, have your long-term planning goals changed? If your long-term planning goals haven't changed and your risk tolerance hasn't changed and your portfolio is properly allocated to the risk tolerance that you have, then the final question is, do you have an immediate need for all of your money? And if the answer to that is no, then usually you want to stick to the plan that you have already created. We try to avoid letting our emotions and our reactions to short-term market moves derail our long-term planning goals. So let's recap those pretty quickly here. Keep your portfolio allocated to the risk budget that you're comfortable with. Has your risk tolerance changed? Have your long-term planning goals changed? And do you have an immediate need for all of your money? And if you've answered those correctly, then you should probably leave the portfolio as is. If you have questions about how your portfolio is currently allocated or you want a second opinion on that, I have put together a guide for you to download that shows you the value of getting a second opinion on your retirement accounts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube page, and we'll be back with more content next week.